grab yourself a pen and paper. I'm going to give you some things to think about. Grab yourself a pen and paper. I'm going to give you some things to think about. Well, you should first of all know that because of COVID, everything's up in the air. Everything's nuts, all right? Prime Day has been moved. Typically that's in July, and that's been postponed until September. There's no official word of that, but that's when it's going to be. That's the unofficial official word. So, what else can you plan for? Here we go. So, in January, you've got New Year, New You, that sort of thing. And this is, I'm going to do America, okay? But this all applies, most of it applies to Australia, to the UK, things like that. There's some things that are very, very American-centric, but for the most part, these apply globally. So you've also got in January in the States, you've got Super Bowl, some stuff related to that. You've got in February, you've got Valentine's Day. In March, you've got what's called March Madness, which is a sale day on Amazon. You've got the spring event as well, so spring sales happening. You've got St. Paddy's Day as well. You've got Easter. April, you've got April Fool's Day. You've got Cinco de Mayo. Oh, sorry, that's in May. You've got the spring event sales still going on in April typically as well. May, you've got Mother's Day, Memorial Day, Cinco de Mayo. You've got summer sales starting as well. June, you've got graduation happening in June. You've got the 4th of July sale. You've got Father's Day as well. July, you've got Prime Day. August, you've got back to school, kind of getting ready for that. Some people go back to school at the end of August. September, you've got Labor Day. You've got back to school full on. You've got football kickoff, so football season again. Halloween starts happening as well. October, Halloween happens. November, Cyber Monday. And you're getting into Christmas as well. In November, Christmas sales start happening. Amazon also does in November what's called its electronic gift guide. So if you're selling electronics, you should be in that. November, you've got Black Friday deals as well. December, obviously, you've got Christmas going on too. So all that's going on. Now, you're probably thinking, holy shit, wouldn't it be good if some generous pommy git had just done all of that for us? So would you like my calendar that I do for me? Would you like a copy? Now, if you're listening to this, so you probably know already, I think I've made no secret of this, I'm updating all of the AOE training, okay? So you can see Amazon training V3. This is my intro models. This is some of the cool shit I'm putting into it. So Amazon shopping days on holidays. Here you go. So here it is, all laid out for you. Now, if you are listening to this on the recording, send to all. There you go. Let me know if I've actually shared that properly. If you're listening to this on the recording, then just ask somebody in the group, and I'm sure they will give it to you. Or once I update and make live all the new training or the V3 training, you'll get all this anyway, okay? So I've put in there, as you'll be able to see, how to participate and what to do and how to take advantage of it and that sort of shit too. So that's all in there for you. Need access? You shouldn't need access. Now, let me just pause my screen and check. You should be able to download that. You won't be able to... Anyone with the link coming up? Yeah. So you won't be able to do anything other than download it, which you do at the top right-hand corner, the little download thing. That's where you download, all right? You won't be able to edit it, because why the hell would I let you edit the document? It would be a nightmare. But you can download the document, and it's yours. So that's it. Top right-hand corner, that's where you do that. Super easy. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.